Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Hope you're all doing well. I know I've met a lot of you over the last couple of years at your schools through the assemblies that I offer all across this country. And as a youth motivational speaker, I wanted to provide some extra inspiration during this tough time, as I know a lot of us are stuck at home and learning online. That's why I decided to launch a YouTube playlist, which you can share with your students, parents, and staff through Google Classroom or another similar platform. Basically, there's a whole lot of positivity within the playlist where you yourself or they can watch and learn many important themes from these videos. Plus, in addition to some hip-hop and poetry highlights, there are some live action shots too. Some of these include me discussing some powerful stories as well as a few of the Motivational Mondays I've done in recent weeks, with topics such as giving your best efforts, or never giving up, or what to do when you're faced with difficulty in your life. And that's why I'm also wearing this shirt, which says keep your head up, upside down on purpose. So if you look down or feel down, it reads keep your head up. It's a reminder to always think positive no matter what. Look, I know we're all going through a lot right now, and I know we're going to get through it too. But to brighten your days a little bit more for now and help keep your spirits high, I wanted to pass along these resources. So check them out today and feel free to forward them on. And if you'd like me to do some other videos tailored to current lesson plans or even a full school digital assembly, I would love to explore those possibilities with you and continue to share my heart with your community in any capacity. Again, please stay healthy, stay safe, keep your family, friends, and loved ones close, and just keep shining your light. Peace.